What's up, guys? Welcome to Reseller's Life. My name is Chris. Thank you so much for joining me. In this episode, we're going to unbox a $1,000 profit box. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. This box is 22 by 22 by 22. It's the extra large box from Home Depot. You can go pick these up. This is from one of my scouts. So I have people now shopping for me. I'd like to get $1,000 per box. So this allows someone anywhere in the country to send me a box, kind of like ThreadUp, except for instead of ThreadUp, which is consignment, I want to pay on the spot. So when items come in, I want to pay cash for them so the person doesn't have to wait to get paid out. So let's see what's inside this box to give you guys a sample of what I'm looking for. Please smash the like button and consider subscribing and follow this series in the $1,000 profit boxes. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get straight into it. Right off the bat, you can see there's a lot of jeans and denim. This is stuff that we sell all year round. So Everlane, I believe these are more Everlane. So Everlane and Levi's. Let's see, Everlane, Levi's, another Everlane. This is Gap Fit Athleisure. So I usually don't take this brand, so I'm probably going to reject this, but it is in excellent condition and a lot of people are working at home now. This looks almost new, so this is still okay, but doesn't sell for the minimum profit that I'm looking for, which is ideally $10 to $15 per item. Got some Doc Martens here. These are chunky. These will probably clean up nice. Probably worth it to do a little bit of leather restoration. But obviously, let's see if these are made in England. They are not. So ones that are made in England are worth a little bit more. Oh, actually they are. So made in England, which makes these a little more valuable than the ones made in China. Okay, so more denim. This is Jolt. Probably will be rejected. Let's see here. Ocean Pacific cargo shorts. So not the best brand, but this is a fantastic size because it's size 42. And you know, for the bigger boys out there, this is going to sell just fine. So this is the type of stuff that I'm getting. Jeans, we'll skip these so you guys can get an idea. More Levi's. Got some Supreme. This is actually, you guys saw this in the previous video. This is one of my shoppers who put this box together for me. On the higher end items, he wants to do consignment. So this item is going to be, I'm going to pay, I think 60% of what it sells for. So he's going to get more cash on this. Here we got Under Armour. I think this is new. Yeah, this is new. So 129 bucks. This is great stuff because this is stuff that's thrifted, but it's going to make you easily $10 profit. The North Face. This is also a consignment item at Christian Dior. The North Face. So I'm primarily a clothing seller, but I'm going to start doing unboxings of hard goods as well. So we've got some Gazelles, or I'm sorry, Campus. Adidas. More denim. So this is Banana Republic jeans. Size 32 by 32, which is a fantastic size. You can tell these are from the outlet because they have 3 dots on the label. Okay. This is I think Old Navy. This is I'm sorry, this is the limited. Not my favorite brand. This will probably be rejected. Ralph Lauren. We have Taylor Stitch, which is an awesome brand. This is American Eagle, right? Nope, Grain jeans. So a lot of denim, shorts. Let's see if there's anything else in here. At the bottom there's shoes. This is stuff from the outlet that we talked about before. So clothing wise, about 120 items fit in here. Shoes wise is a little bit less. So North Face. I live in the Bay Area. Wherever you live is going to have a lot of specific stuff to that area. So this is the fire department for Oakland, collaborating with Golden State Warriors, which is pretty cool. Brooks Brothers. More stuff from the outlet that we talked about before, the All Saints purses. An Adidas Skort. This will be rejected. This is a champion pair of leggings. This is a moving comfort sports bra. I'm not familiar with this brand. It doesn't look like, it looks like a Macy's cheap brand. Kids jacket, size 14, 16. You've got some belts, some accessories. This is a merino wool sweater. Nice. I'm not sure what this is, but it's got a stain on it, so we'll probably reject it. Got some Air Maxes, so it looks like deeper into the box you've got shoes. So Air Maxes. Another North Face. Under Armour hoodie. Under Armour sells really well for me, guys. So North Face. Here we've got some Clarks. So these are, I would consider these actually new because there's still the tag on it, but they've been distressed a little bit. These are Pharrell Williams Adidas. You guys can see his logo on the back. Very cool. These are cool. Got these. Got a pair of Vans. So what I'm teaching my scouts for is essentially to find shoes that I can earn at least a $15 profit on, ideally. Or gloves. Some nice up-tempos. Scottie Pippen, you guys know him. These are his signature brand shoe. These are really beautiful in my opinion. Some baby LeBrons. Janoskis, Nikes. These are skateboarding shoes. Some baby Foamposites, my favorite Nike silhouette. Always check to see if there's the insoles because they're worth a lot less, or you should probably pass if they're missing those. Some baby 13s. This is, I believe, called the Altitude colorway with the green bottom. These are cool. Baby chukka boots. I mean, kids chukka boots. Pair of Yellis. Another pair of Doc Martens. So again, Doc Martens, really easy to flip. This is awesome. See, this is unlike the made in England's before. These are made in Vietnam. So not worth as much money generally speaking, but still super high quality. You're gonna wanna measure the heel height. These are super chunky. Cool, so pair of 9s. Kids Jordan 9s. Air Forces. Love these. This is the Cristiano Ronaldo colorway. This is also the Lunar Force one. So it's a lighter version of the Air Force One. Much, much, much lighter. Some North Face boots. Some Jordan 7s for kids. Another pair of Foamposites. These are seriously so awesome. So again, this is something that I would coach one of my scouts to be able to find for me, because that way I can use my time on working on the business instead of working in the business. When I actually go out shopping, I'm really only finding about 2 items per store. So depending on where you live, in California the traffic is really bad, so it's difficult to get from store to store to store. But depending on where you live, you can get all this stuff at the Goodwill outlet in probably one day. Alright guys, so there's 2 keys to getting this done. Number 1 is visualization. You need to think about how many items you need to get in your store to reach your goal. Once you make a goal, the plan will appear. The main thing is figuring out visually how many items you need to get into your store. So for me, that's 200 items into my store Monday through Friday. Now be patient. For me, sometimes I get discouraged because a day doesn't go as well as I'd like to, but I understand that the bigger goal of getting 200 items into my store is going to take time, and more importantly, getting to my second point, you can't really do it alone. Okay, so you want to make your business so it doesn't rely 100% on you. You want to build a team that can go out and sort things for you. So for me, instead of relying on myself to get everything, list everything, photograph everything, ship everything, I'm building a small team to help me. Thank you so much, guys. This episode is sponsored by my reseller field guide. Pick it up for $35 in the description below with code YouTube. It really helps me continue to build this channel and make the best resources for you guys. It goes over the 8 systems of how to build an e-commerce company. Now you can earn $1,000 per week. Until next time, make progress daily.